Hello, y'all. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DJ Queen Caesar here. Today is going to be a different video. Normally I'm posting like DJ videos and me practicing or whatever, but today is going to be a hair video. I do have locks and they need to be done. So I'm going to detox my hair today. Do a lock detox, which consists of me soaking my hair in warm to hot water, with apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and some lemon juice. And then I'm gonna wash my hair and detox it. Retwist it. It's gonna take a long time, I already know. And I've been like holding off on doing it too, because it takes so long. And I'm not the best at doing my hair neither, so we gonna see.
Alright, so here I got the apple cider vinegar, the lemon juice, and the baking soda. Here I am pouring in the it's hot water, honestly. The hot water. And to be honest, I overfilled this. Look at little man nosy. I wish he could have helped me detox my hair. Then this is me pouring another round of water and the third round of water, which I could have stopped at the second round, honestly, because by the time I got in, it was all the way down my bag. But that's all right. So here I'm just combining the apple cider vinegar, the lemon juice, and the baking soda all in the tub. I don't really measure. I think there are measurements that you can use, but I treat it like I'm seasoning my hair, so I don't use measurements. I just go with what I feel like at the time. I'm gonna basically soak my hair for 30 minutes and then afterwards wash it.
So I detoxed my hair and I tried to wash it in the shower, and it was a bit difficult for me to tackle on my own. So I'm gonna have to call in some backup. So I'm gonna have to call my mom to have her help me clean it because my locks are heavy when they get wet. And, my neck was hurting real bad, and I had a lot of buildup. So I'm gonna have to get her to help me to wash my hair.
So you can see the amount of buildup that's in the hair, and this is even after washing. And so her hair is very, very fine, and you can tell the texture of someone's hair by actually looking at the base of their neck, and you can see that her hair is very fine, extremely silken. But because of that, it actually holds on to dirt very, very well. It's a lot of oil. She has a lot of oil from her sebaceous glands, and it really collects at the scalp. It carries down into the lock, and it collects dirt, product, environmental stuff, like everything. So what we're gonna actually do is just take her lock, each and every lock that looks like this, wet it with some relatively hot, warm water, add some dishwashing liquid to it, because the dishwashing liquid is actually going to break down all of this oil and dirt, and massage it in the water. Probably do it about 2 or 3 times per lock to make sure that it is as clean as possible. You might have to repeat this process probably about 2 or 3 times to make sure that it's all the way clean, but to put product on top of this would definitely do her locks a disservice, her scalp, and her whole head. Massaging each of the locks, and you can feel the hair getting very clean, and clean hair also makes a sound. You know that your hair is clean and stripped of all oil and dirt when it just has a very slick sound after you've rinsed it. And it also, you can feel it on your fingers. I can feel that the buildup is dissolving in my fingers as I'm actually massaging each of the locks. And so, because oil and dirt build up, and this lock is not going to be healthy. So